Get ready to make a lot and put the microphone right up to your mouth, and it's called sound effects. Take it away. Milkshake?
Yes, please. Glug, 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 glug. Oh, icy headache.
I was going to say, easy, you're going to get a brain freeze.
Just over here. I'm going to clock in.
Okay.
Oh, it stapled my time card. Oh, well.
You've got one of those wimpy little time cards. Watch me clock in. Uh-huh.
Oh!
Hey!
I hope I get my hours.
Is that the bell?
Ding dong, ding dong.
I'll see who's at the door. I hate when people doorbell ditch our construction site.
Me too.
Wait till we have an address!
Well, we better get going.
You're right. Let me get my nail gun. We gotta lay down some more floor paneling.
All right.
Let me start putting these nails in. Chick, 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 chick. I'm putting in some temporary spacer staples so I know where to put the nails after I put the nails in the nail gun.
I'm going to use my automatic hammer. I think that you'll find this works almost as well. Watch this. It's a lot like when I punch in.
You know, if I worked in an office, I'd be awfully handy.
You certainly would.
Hey, let me get my power saw. I got to cut some of these 2x4s because we need to lay them into the joists.
I'll lay the plank down. Wow, those are some big planks.
Yeah.
And yet I lift them with ease.
And now I will use this multi-toothed power saw to cut through these 2x4s. Hold on, I got to turn off my hairdryer.
Yeah.
You know, might as well.
Here. Let me try.
You do it. You do it.
I'm going to use this bandsaw here. I think it might work a little better. Did I say bandsaw? I meant band saw.
I thought there was a marching band
What's
saw.
a marching band saw? Whoa, is that the whistle? Time for lunch.
Well, the tea's ready.
I've got a great big lunchbox. You want to share?
Sure. Well, all I have is a 6-pack of beer.
Oh, beautiful.
After a hard day of stapling stuff together, I like to tie one on.
Potato chips. That one was wet. Ooh.
Sounds fresh.
Here, I'm going to shake one up and have it. I like mine foamy.
Did you see that? A small crow came out of my mouth. That's strange.
Are you possessed?
I don't remember eating a live crow today. I'm going to fire up this jackhammer.
Okay.
I bet it sounds better than milkshakes. We shouldn't have built this house so close to the train tracks. I'm going to turn it on now.
Okay.
I just like to shake it a little, get all the parts
Sure,
loose.
of course. Whoa.
Hello.
Thank you very much. Thanks. You guys are great. Thank you. That was great. Fantastic.
Good job.
How about that? We'll be right back.